In this question, you have to match the items given in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, in roses, the ovary is partially embedded in the receptacle, which is a characteristic of perigynous flowers. Thus, A matches with 2. Now, in the pea, the ovary has a marginal placentation. That is, the placenta forms a ridge along the ventral suture of the ovary, and the ovules are arranged in 2 rows. Thus, B matches with 4. Now, cotton exhibits twisted estivation. That is, one margin of a petal overlaps the next petal, and this pattern continues in a spiral manner. Thus, C matches with 1. And the fruit of mango is a drupe. That is, mangoes have a fleshy mesocarp and a hard stony endocarp surrounding the seed. Thus, D matches with 3. Hence, the correct answer is option C.